Yerppp gang, we in the building, guys. I gotta be very, very quiet because I'm in the hallway right now, but I wanted to give you guys an in-depth tour of the 2 penthouses that we have. And I want to show you guys what $47,000 to $50,000 a month gets you in LA. And I know it's a lot of money. Before I start this tour, I want you guys to know I am moving to Dallas, Texas. Period, end of story. I am gone. So I got killed in my last video saying, you're wasting money and doing X, Y, and Z. Drop all the judgment, just watch the video and enjoy. So guys, the reason we got another penthouse is because we needed more workspace, right? We needed an office space for all of us to work, especially because I was in dark mode gearing up for the GOAT Academy, and working at home was kind of hard. I needed more space to be creative. So we got a whole nother penthouse. So obviously when you go through this exact penthouse, you're gonna see a lot of computers, a lot of desks, and of course, the Swaggy Academy logo. Now, Austin, let's run through the house. Over here, what do we have? Bailey's World. This is an office, right, Austin? We gotta get right here. I got my wife and I got myself. Now, next up, the living room. In our living room, it is very, very massive. We have a lot of space. We still got the floor to ceiling windows, which is the most beautiful part about this penthouse. But right here, we don't have nowhere to be cozy and just live. Everything is work related. Right here, we have 2 desks with 2 computers and a printer there, so any videographer or anybody doing, basic work, computers and emails, have a place to work. Over here, now, I know like that's a couch and it seems like it's cozy. Nope, nobody ever sits on it just to relax. That is the couch for Bailey's show, The Penthouse. Obviously, we're revamping for season 2. You guys will see that a little bit later, but that is what that couch is for. Now, over here is our kitchen where we used to eat in between work and stuff. We got a balcony out here. I don't really gotta open the door and show you guys that, or should I? Should I not? Should I, Austin, or B-roll? Okay. We'll B-roll it, whatever. All right, so we're really high up, obviously. This is our kitchen. It's a different color than the penthouse that we live in. The penthouse that we live in is white. This is mahogany. I hope it's right. I'm gonna get killed in the comments if it's not. All right, so back here in this room is like our storage room, our waiting room for guests on the penthouse. So there's not really much stuff in here. The other bedrooms have everything that we need, but this is just really like a storage and a waiting room, really. But for those who are going to live here in the future, this is a small little bedroom. Now I'm gonna show you guys Bailey's office. Obviously over here, we need it to be very, very quiet, so that's why we got a million sound panels over here. Now, Bailey's office. It is a beautiful office. She has her books over there. Coming in here, she has 2 pink, beautiful chairs. And then she has a enormous grass wall. Obviously, she does her work here. She may take some pictures here. It's a girl's office and it's beautiful, right? You know what I mean? Her view is obstructed by this stupid hotel that's being propped up, I guess. So if you're living here, good luck, because that is not a good view, but neither here nor there. And also for her bathroom, she has a long rug and pretty nice, pretty standard bathroom. Nothing really super crazy. Also, I forgot to mention over here, we do have a backdrop for pictures or for my old videos, the 10 essentials that I did or the entrepreneur video that I did. Yeah, we have everything work related here. Now, obviously from my office, I already did a computer setup, but you guys didn't see the entryway, right? So I have a green wall here, which symbolizes money for me. So I'm already in the work mindset. And I have all of these canvases here, right? To-do list, get things done, right? I've been a rich man, I've been a poor man. I choose rich every single time. And then the $1 million a year breakdown. And then 0 talent, secure the swag. I live by words of affirmation, obviously, as you guys saw in the computer setup video. So I have canvases everywhere throughout the house. And before I get to obviously my room, we have a laundry room in here, obviously standard laundry room. Nothing crazy. The appliances are outdated, I would say, in my opinion, like I said in the last penthouse tour. But hey, it is what it is. Now here, this would be considered the master bedroom. I have it as my master office. And the first thing you guys see here is consistency. And we have these 2 storage closets where if you were to live here, they're not a storage closet, obviously, but we have bunch of cameras, a bunch of lighting, like everything in here, but it's enough room for clothes and sneakers and stuff. As we walk down this long hallway, we have a bunch of canvases. I already told you in the last video and literally just 20 seconds ago that I live by words of affirmation, so I'm not really gonna go over every single canvas. I'm gonna have Austin B-roll them so you guys can see them as I walk to my actual office. And boom, we are obviously here in my office. This is where I do all my videos. You guys have already seen it, but for those who have not seen it, this would be considered the master bedroom. I have a huge grass wall there like Bailey does. I have a black wall there that says stay hungry for success, and a huge bookshelf right there. And then over here, my most important canvases, my favorite ones, nice little credenza here, and then my computer and technical appliances, my babies. And this is penthouse number 1. It is our office penthouse. It is the second biggest penthouse here in this building. So now we are finished with the office penthouse tour, so we gotta go to my living penthouse. You ready, Austin? Let's go. Boom, made it. So first, the entryway before we get to the master living room. This is obviously the biggest penthouse in this building. We have the first and the second one. The new things that have changed since the last penthouse tour is this credenza. When you walk in, it's not 2 chairs side by side. It is a beautiful credenza. My wife thought of it. It's beautiful. And now let's go to the living room. And we are here. This view is beautiful. You're really paying for the view, how high you are, I guess security and stuff, but this view, you really can't beat it anywhere else in the world. Last time you guys were in the living room, we had a blue couch. Now we have a beautiful long white couch. We had white walls everywhere. Now we got a gold wall right there, like right behind our TV. We did a lot since you guys last seen us. We got new bar stools, we got new chairs, everything is new here. So I don't gotta give you guys a tour of the kitchen because Austin can just B-roll a little bit from the last one. Let's just go right into that little room over there. So as we go over here, you guys remember this as the office, right? A lot has changed. You see the gold walls, obviously, but a lot has changed. Bailey has turned this into her gym, yoga setup right here. She has her recovery setup right here after, she does her workouts. She has a treadmill right here. We got a TV right here. She has a tempo with weights right here. Words of affirmation up there. She is not playing. I'm in here sometimes, but sometimes probably once a week, maybe twice a week, if that. Bailey's in here 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. She's locked in, right? So she turned this into her gym, so it's no longer an office. So that is the change in this room. But if you are living here, this is a nice, it's supposed to be the second bedroom, all right? Like if you get this place, it's labeled as that. So it's enough room for a bedroom, pretty nice. Oh, lastly, before I forgot, over here, mirrors. Everything is mirrored out. She wants to look at herself when she works out. Perfectly fine, I understand, I would too, but that is another update. I don't need to show you guys the guest, bedrooms or the bathrooms. You guys have seen it, or just go to the last video. But I want to show you guys the master bedroom because there is a change in there. So follow me. All right, guys. So now the master bedroom that has changed quite a bit. So come on in. So as you guys see, we switched the beds out. Our last bed broke. Austin just asked me what y'all been doing. Nothing. I literally just sat down and it broke. That's the story I'm going with. Anyway, so over here, that is obviously a change. We put the 2 chairs that were in the beginning of the entryway over here. Last but not least, you guys ready for this? So we couldn't have a penthouse without a room for our kids, our dogs, our babies. They got their own personal room. They come in, they got a little playpen. They got an egg chair, they got their beds, they got their pictures up there because they are kings and queens, brother and sister, Velvet and Gianna, my 2 favorite people in the world, aside from my wife, obviously. And I know you guys are waiting for something else, but that's it. Those are the 2 penthouses. They're very, very expensive because we're on the highest floor, basically on both of them in downtown Los Angeles, right across the street from the Staples Center. The floor-to-ceiling windows are crazy, but we gotta get up out of here and go to Dallas and get ourselves a house, man. It's time. So guys, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. That is the tour of our 2 penthouses. I just wanted to show you guys, what you could get for that much money in downtown Los Angeles. Clearly not a lot, just 2 penthouses. This one is 4,000 square feet. It is, I think, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. I don't remember, I think so. And the office one is 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 3,000 square feet. But I think that's it. Is that it, Austin?